Okay, here's the homework for 10-1. First, we factor the denominator, so that would be x plus 6, x minus 2, and 11x plus 10. So we have a over x plus 6 plus b over x minus 2. And so then we can say that a times x minus 2 plus b times x plus 6 is equal to 11x plus 10. So ax minus 2a plus bx plus 6b equals 11x plus 10. So factor out your x and you get a plus b. And then your constants would be minus 2a plus 6b. That's equal to 11x plus 10. So a plus b has to equal 11, and negative 2a plus 6b equals 10. So let's multiply this top one by 2 and add. So we get negative 2a minus 2b equals negative 22. And then I have, not negatives, sorry. Just doing positives, got ahead of myself. 2a plus 2b equals 22, and this would be negative 2a plus 6b equals 10. Add these together and you get 0a plus 8b equals 32, so b equals 4, and a plus b equals, Alexa, stop. Sorry. Had an alarm. A plus 4 is equal to 11, so a is 7. So rewrite this as 7 over x plus 6 plus 4 over x minus 2. So therein is your answer for number 1. Let's do number 2 on this same video. Okay, so let's factor the bottom to x minus 7x minus 1, right? Minus 7x minus 1. That's the only way we're going to get, minus 7. That would be x squared minus x minus 7x and then plus a 7. So over negative 2x minus 4. So we have a over x minus 7 plus b over x minus 1. These are so much easier than the 3 terms. So we have a times x minus 1 plus b times x minus 7 has to equal negative 2x minus 4. So ax minus a plus bx minus 7b equals negative 2x minus 4. So take out of x your a plus b, and then you have a minus a minus 7b equals negative 2x minus 4. So a plus b has to be equal to negative 2. Negative 2. And negative a minus 7b has to be equal to negative 4. So I'm gonna add that, right? Yeah. So that would be 0a, and then I have negative 6b equals negative 6, so b equals negative 1. Nope, b has to be positive 1, not negative 1, right? So b is positive 1, and then we had a plus b equals negative 2, so a plus 1 equals negative 2, so a is negative 3. So our function becomes, negative 3 over x minus 7 plus 1 over x minus 1. Now, if you do these in there in a different order, it doesn't matter. Like if you got, as long as the right thing is over, like the negative 3 is over the x minus 7, that's right. Because it depends on what order you do these in, that when you pick your multiples here. But as long as the 1 is over the x minus 1 and the negative 3 is over the x minus 7, then you're good to go. So again, negative 3 over x minus 7 plus 1 over x minus 1. All right, I'll stop there and we'll do more on the next video.